Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. So today I am going to share my Stay Quirky Nail Polishes which are exclusively available on purple.com only. So before start my video, if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, then please subscribe it and please don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. So without further ado, let's get started. So these are the Stay Quirky nail polishes and they have variety of shades and range from where you can choose your favorite shades and price starting from just ₹50. So I ordered different shades from different range. So the first shade is Stay Quirky Tracking Status 646, which is a transparent chunky glitter nail polish and it contains 10 ml of product and the shelf life is 36 months from packaging, which means 3 years. The actual price of this product is ₹255, but I got this at ₹128, and this nail polish is look like this. And the next shade is Stay Quirky Spot On 970, which is also transparent glitter nail polish, but it is nude type of color and it contains beautiful stars which looks great. It contains 8 ml of product and the shelf life is 36 months from packaging, and the actual price of this product is ₹115, but I got this at ₹58, and this nail polish look like this. Next shade is Stay Quirky Boyfriend Jeans 1104, which is a blue denim range and give denim fabric look in your nails. It contains 6 ml of product and the shelf life is 36 months from packaging. The actual price of this product is ₹135, but I got this at ₹68, and this nail polish look like this. The next shade is Stay Quirky Occult 1107, which is holographic effect black magic range which gives magical looks to your nails. It contains 6 ml of product and the shelf life is 36 months from packaging. The actual price of this product is ₹135, but I got this at ₹68, and this nail polish look like this. So the next shade is a Stay Quirky Heavenly Embrace 517, which is minty blue color and my favorite shades from all. It contains 6 ml of product and the shelf life is 36 months from packaging. The actual price is ₹88, but I got this at ₹59, and this nail polish look like this. And the last shade is Stay Quirky The Girl in Brown 135, which is dark brown color and it contains 6 ml of product and the shelf life is 36 months from packaging. The actual price is ₹88, but I got this at ₹59, and this nail polish is look like this. So overall, these Stay Quirky nail polishes are very affordable and is lead free, vegan, non-toxic and paraben free products. It is long lasting and color payoff is awesome. So that's it in this video, and I hope you love to watch this video, and if you find this video helpful, then please like, share, subscribe and comment, and if you have any question, do comment below in the comment box. I will sure answer your comment. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.